Americans generate over 250 million tons of garbage every year. Every day, the U.S. throws away enough trash to fill 63,000 garbage trucks. Although the EPA estimates that 75% of solid waste is recyclable, only about 30% is actually recycled. Nationwide, the number of active landfills in 2010 was 1,908. Who will save us from our mounting problem? Our future is in the hands of children. Recently, I volunteered to assist with the Compost Discovery Camp at CFI School 27. The students made birdhouses out of gourds and picture framing with yard waste. Students read books used to educate young people about composting and preserving our beautiful earth. Watching children learn about being earth conscious made me feel so excited. Each child was engaged, showing their excitement and curiosity for nature. I was elated. Initially, I thought it would be difficult to motivate kids about the environment. How can we teach them about the environment without boring them with statistics or scaring them with crazy pictures? I was pleasantly surprised when I observed them talking and asking questions. There was no need to tell them. They were naturally curious and excited. No one sold them on the idea of being earth-friendly. In the words of one little guy, it's just cool. So why is it so easy to inspire these kids? I thought back to my original assumptions, that it would be difficult to motivate students to care about the environment, and that it would be hard to connect to their sense of humanity on a broad scale. While reflecting on my assumptions, I realized that these students are excited because they wanted to be part of their school community. Students are engaging in these activities because it adds to their sense of belonging, which creates a loving environment. Sapone Shevin says, there is a clear correlation between students' sense of belonging and their academic and social achievement. Sapone Shevin also says that starting in kindergarten, we must educate the youth to care about humanity and to begin to understand the immensity of the challenges that will face them as adults. So how do we motivate them? Bowler says if teachers challenge natural curiosity, the motivation becomes intrinsic. Many aspects of motivation are the result of social and cultural factors, such as the norms for behaviors that parents, peers, and others communicate and encourage. Also, students are more likely to think actively and elaborately when the overall classroom community encourages and supports such thinking. As teachers, we must find unique ways of connecting students with our school community. Developing a sense of belonging allows children to take pride in their part of the bigger picture. We can motivate children to take part in social issues by bringing them into the classroom. As a student, I am motivated to participate when I feel that I am part of the community. I began to think about my motivation for environmental issues. My third grade teacher brought her enthusiasm for recycling and social issues into our class. Through reflection, I realized how much influence is held by teachers, parents, and peers. As pre-service teachers, we hear every day how important modeling is for our students. In my classroom, I plan to create the same type of community that connects students to each other and social issues. I want students to know that they play an important role in our community. Each student will participate in helping to grow a small garden, recycling, and composting. If we plant the seeds within the minds of the children, together we can watch them grow.